Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? As you can see right here, we have QRTEB. That set, as you can see, it's a Library Interactive Corporation Series B, something in it like that. So, what are we gonna do right now is I'm gonna do a quick top-down analysis. So we're starting from the monthly time frame. We can see that we have shifted here above. This is even on the Let's go to the 6-month chart. Top in here, so we're kind of on the road to deliver to the highs at right around 23 something. So I'm talking about the highs at right around here, 23.54. And it does seem like today we're down around 15%, but this is the 6-month chart, so every candle represents 6 months. Let's just go to the monthly, then weekly. This month has been crazy, 206% up. Weekly, 260% up too, so that's crazy shit. And we have been just delivering higher. I definitely, as I'm gonna say that one more time here, I'm looking for this to deliver to this 23.54 high. And that's definitely about today's video. See ya.